They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword.
Kamusta mga kaibigan? Nandito naman yung lingkod, Boss MJ, and welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So sa video ito ay ating pag-uusapan ang tungkol kay Manzano at Jessy Mendiola na kung bakit nilihim nila sa mga netizens ang kanilang kasal noong nakarang buwan lamang. So yan po ang pag-usapan natin sa video nito. So kung bago ka pa lang sa ating channel, baka pwede po makain ng konting suporta sa pamagitan ng pag-subscribe na ating YouTube channel and click the notification bell para update kayo sa mga bago pa nating video. Without so much further ado, tara, simulan na natin. Finally, kinasal na nga sila Jessy Mendiola at Manzano nitong February 21, 2020. Secret ultimate wedding na ang ginanap sa The Fun of San Banico. Ang singsing ni Jessy Mendiola ay customized wedding band na made of pink diamonds at dinisenyo ito perfectly sa kanyang engagement. Ito naman ang set wedding moments nila sa isa't isa sa kanilang wedding ceremony. Panoorin natin ang video na ito.
Is the number that comes to my head when I think of all the years I wanna be with you. Wake up every morning with you in my bed. That's precisely what I plan to do. And you know one of these days when I get my money right, buy you everything and show you all the finer things in life.
They don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and cry for just a while. Because deep inside this armor, the warrior is a child. Ay, mali pa rin nasunod. Mali na buksan ko. Sorry. Lyrics ng ano. Okay. How? As we take this step today, I want to promise you, I promise to be your rock when you are weak, to put a smile on your face even on the darkest of days. I promise to be the best husband, partner, best friend, and father I can be. We have been through so much, so many smiles and tears, but I would do it all over again if it means leading me back to you. How? I will love you every single day of forever, and most of all, what I really promise is to share a video with you. I love you.
How? I promise to protect you and to love you. I will always love you, even on the darkest of our days. I will protect you, and I promise that if you grow weak, I will be there to fight your battles for you. Today is the beginning of our journey, our lives together. I choose to spend today and all of my tomorrows with you. I love you, Hoho.
Napaka-perfect nga daw ang weather ng araw ng kanilang kasal dahil natakpan ng ulap ang araw kung kaya't malamig ang simoy ng hangin sa oras ng kanilang kasal. Pinalibutan ang binyo ng magagandang bulaklak ang mga isang fan na mini kubo. Napakaganda ng place doon. Simple pero social ang kanilang wedding. Sa latest vlog ni Jessy Mendiola sa kanyang YouTube channel, naganap ang revelasyon. Ito din natin mapanood ang kanilang wedding video na may title Our Intimate Wedding Jessy Mendiola. Mahigit isang buwan na silang kasal nila Manzano at Jessy Mendiola. Ever ultimate ang okasyon, nasa 20 lamang ang invited guests na kinabibilangan ng kanilang pamilya at malapit na kaibigan nito. Nandun ang ama ni Manzano na si Ido Manzano at ang ina ni Manzano na si Vilma Santos, kasama rin si Senator Rap Recto. Maging si Jessy Mendiola ay nahalatang kinakabahan at mangyak-ngyak habang naglalakad. Biglaan daw ang nasabing kasalan. Sa katunayan, 3 linggo lang daw ang naging preparation nila sa civil wedding na ito. Dapat daw sana June pa daw ang nakatakda sa kanilang full wedding. Pero sa December na ito gagawin ngayong taon. Kaya naman minabuti nila para ang February. Samantala bumuwas naman ang pagbati na natanggap ng bagong kasal sa kanilang mga followers at show best friend sa social media. So ayun lang mga kaibigan, ano masasabi nyo sa civil wedding nila Luis Manzano at Jessy Mendiola? Ay comment down below nyo lang po para babasahin ko ito ng at pupusuan. So ayun lang mga kaibigan mo, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa ating channel and sa patuloy na nanonood ng ating video. Maraming salamat po and kita-kita po tayo sa next nating video. Peace out and goodbye. See you in my next video.
I don't ever plan to find out. The more I look, the more I find the reasons why. You are the number one love of my life. No one of these days when I get my money right, buy you everything and show you all the finer things in life. We'll forever be in love, so there ain't no need to rush. One day I won't be able to ask loud enough. I say, will you marry me? I swear they don't mean it. I'll say, will you marry me? And if I lost everything in my heart, it means nothing, 'cause I have you. Boy, I have you. To get right down on bended knee, that's what I would love to see. Better, the day when I say, will you marry me? I swear they don't mean it. I'll say, will you marry me? I'll say, will you marry me? I swear they don't mean it. I'll say, will you
Salamat po sa ating tagapanood and sa ating supporters ng channel na ito. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. So kung nagustuhan itong video na ito, baka pwede nyo po ako bigyan ng isang like dyan. And comment kung ano pang tutorial gagawin ko next video. And share nyo din sa family and friends nyo. Subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell para updated po kayo sa next pa nating video. And happy 10,000 subscriber na po tayo mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat po sa suporta. So ayun lang, kita-kita po tayo sa next pa nating video. Peace out and goodbye. See you in my next video.